feel any drag with this helmet at all. With other helmets, I feel it. I feel my head goes to the side. But this one, the air just goes through the helmet. Probably because it's so round, it just flows to the roundness of the helmet. No drag whatsoever. That's amazing. I have a Shoei Shoei RF 400. Yeah, a Shoei RF 1400, and I can feel that thing bobble my head back and forth because of the wind. But with this helmet, man, it is smooth. I could travel with this helmet, go long distances for reals. Holy crap! Freaking awesome. Why is this helmet not sold in the USA? Come on. What the hell?